Step 3. Bottling and storage. You can use bottles that have sparkling water in it. Be sure to store in your refrigerator and let them sit for a few days before drinking. Caution: since live yeast continue to ferment in the bottle, this type of sake can spill out in a big way when you open it, so you need to be careful when you do it. If the bottles are stored for a long time, the cap may not withstand the pressure and it may fly off, and your fridge may become covered with sake. Since Kase Nigori is a cautionary product, it is not the type of sake that can be found anywhere, even in Japan. Not to mention, it is almost impossible to find in other countries. The wonderful things about home brewing is that you can make such Kase Nigori by yourself. But when you make it, be aware of the risks. You can use sake kasu for cooking, baking, or even face pack. And it's handy to store them in a Ziploc. If she's rather quiet as in this video, slowly shake it up and down to mix with the residue, and then open it again. But if she's a tomboy, open it up a bit, close it up again when it starts bubbling up, and repeat patiently. And note that it won't become sparkling when the fermentation is very slow after substantially exceed the designated pressing rate. Please perform pressing process 3 days earlier than the designated pressing date, marked on how to brew MiCURA document included in the kit.